The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a luxury sedan that blends sophistication, performance, and advanced technology. It features a sleek exterior with a signature grille, LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery, wood trims, and ambient lighting, creating a premium feel. Equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, it offers a widescreen digital cockpit, voice control, and smartphone integration. The E-Class comes with various powertrain options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, and plug-in hybrid variants, ensuring a balance of efficiency and power. The 9-speed automatic transmission provides smooth shifts, while optional for Matic all-wheel drive enhances stability. Safety is a priority, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The car's semi-autonomous driving capabilities add convenience on highways. Comfort is enhanced with multi-contour seats, a premium Burmester sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Air suspension is available for an even smoother ride. The rear seats offer ample legroom, and the trunk provides generous cargo space. Driving dynamics are refined, with a perfect blend of comfort and agility. AMG variants deliver a sportier experience with enhanced performance tuning, aggressive styling, and a more dynamic driving character. Fuel efficiency varies by model, with hybrid versions offering better mileage. The car's build quality ensures durability and long-term reliability. Customization options allow buyers to select from different trims, wheels, and interior finishes. The E-Class maintains a strong reputation for luxury and technology, appealing to professionals and families alike. Its combination of elegance, innovation, and driving pleasure makes it a top choice in the executive sedan segment.